There's a little tune I wrote a couple years ago called The Overcomers. I want to read you a word that God spoke to me yesterday. And this is a word that I got. I was waiting alone in the quiet with him. And I got this word. I heard the sound. I heard the sound of a hammer, the sound of a gavel, like a judge holds, smacking down on a desk. I heard that sound, and then God spoke this word to me. He said, "The gavel has been struck by the judge, the Most High Judge, the Judge of all judges, who judges with righteousness and justice and truth and loving kindness. A sound has come forth from heaven. It's the sound of justice. It's the sound of a judgment made in favor of the oppressed, in favor of the saints of the Most High. It's the hammer of Papa God, and it's coming down upon the head of his enemies. You will hear the sound of the judge's hammer ring out through all the earth in the coming months. A new time of restoration and rebuilding will begin as the prisoners are set free and the thieves are caught." Then I heard the sound of horses, many horses riding at a fast pace. And I heard this: I hear the sound of riders on horses, the sound of many horses being sent out to deliver the good news of justice and salvation to all the ends of the earth. The heralds have gone out. The time for the kingdom is at hand. The time for the kingdom is at hand. The time for the saints of the Most High to possess the kingdom is now. It's here. 2023 is the year. 2023 is the year when we begin to possess the kingdom. And we will hear the sound of the judge's hammer all throughout our nation. The sound of the judge's hammer all throughout America in the coming months. So I just want to bless you with that and encourage you with that. Justice is coming. 2023 is going to be just fantastic. Better, I think, than we could even imagine. So many good things are going to happen in 2023. You're going to see justice take place in your life, in your family, in your nation, in your city, in your personal life. The things that the enemy has stolen, he's going to have to pay back. This is the year of justified repayment. I'm going to play that song one more time. This is called The Overcomers. That's what I call this song. And I wrote it for a friend of mine when he was on his deathbed. And I played it, and I wrote it, and I just prayed with my instrument over my friend, and he lived. He didn't die. But I'd like to play this song again. It's called The Overcomers. Let's see. God bless you. I love you guys. Happy New Year. And be encouraged. This is going to be one of the best years of your entire life. I guarantee you, God is going to bring justice this year. And it's going to be celebrations and happy times and just the best year of your life. In Jesus' name. All right. Be at peace. I love you.